Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our visual show. My name is Nurul Zulaika Binti Mohamad Rozali as your host, and today we're gonna discuss about Islamic credit card versus conventional credit card with our panels.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nafisyatul Laila Binti Azani.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Norsuriani Binti Mohamad Samsudin.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurtasni Binti Mazlan.
Okay, before we start our talk, I would like to give an explanation about topic today. So what is a credit card? Basically, credit card is a physical card that can be used to make purchase, pay bill, or depending on the card, without withdraw cash. A credit card is a substitute for cash and is often used for short-term financing. Before your credit card is approved, the bank will review your credit card history and monthly income to decide the maximum amount you can spend on your card, which is credit limit and other terms. Credit card impose the condition that cardholder pay back the borrowed money plus any applicable interest, as well as any additional agreed upon charge, either in full by the billing date or over time. Next, I will explain about Islamic credit card and conventional credit card. Islamic credit card is a Sharia-compliant financial product and an important part of Islamic banking. An Islamic credit card relies on the concept of tawid for the transaction. Tawid is an agreement between the recipient or client and the bank. Islamic credit card is completely free from any riba or ghara. Riba refers to an interest, while ghara stands for overcharging. That way, Islamic credit card do not increase your debt and eliminate compound charge due to the ghara. Next, conventional credit card. Conventional credit card is a plastic money that grant credit facility to cardholder. The bank credit the merchant account and the money is automatically charged to the merchant, while the credit card holder collect payment at the end of the billing period, which the credit card holder pay to the bank either in full or in installment with the bank. Conventional credit card do not have any takaful coverage, but the cardholder still can get insurance coverage. So we already decided to choose and discuss more about Bank Islam credit card and MAYBANK credit card. Generally, Bank Islam credit card is first purely Sharia contract-based credit cards to be offered to Muslim and non-Muslim in Malaysia. This card is completely free from any riba or ghara. The Sharia concept that is being used in the operation of Bank Islam credit cards is tawarruk. Next, MAYBANK credit card. Basically, the concept of MAYBANK conventional credit card is similar like any other conventional credit card which follow credit line or a kind of loan. The card facility the user to buy any legal good from merchant who recognize the card or authorize to honor Visa or MasterCard.
Hi, my name is Nafisyatul Binti Azani. Without further ado, I will continue to talk about the contract used in credit card I in Bank Islam and MAYBANK. First contract is tawarruk. Tawarruk refers to the purchase of a commodity on a deferred payment basis via direct sales or cost plus sales. After that, the commodity is sold for cash to someone other than the original seller or third party. In other words, the bank purchases an identified commodity from commodity broker A and sells the commodity to a card holder or customers on a deferred basis at an agreed upon selling price. The card holder then sells the commodity at cost and on a spot basis to commodity broker B via the bank as an appointed agent. The proceeds from the sales of the commodity shall constitute the cardholder's credit limit for the purpose of utilization by the cardholder, and the bank shall charge the cardholder actual profit based on the utilizations of the credit limit by the cardholder and must grant ibrah or rebate to the cardholder on the unutilized portion. The next contract used is buy-in-nah. The buy-in-nah based credit card is structured with two separate and independent sales contracts. The first sales contract is one in which the credit card issuer sells an identified asset to the customer or cardholder in deferred installment at a selling price. The second sale contract follows immediately after the first sale contract, and it involves the bank purchasing the asset from the customer for cash at a price equal to the credit limit. The cash from the buyback transaction will be deposited in an Islamic account that the cardholder can use, and this amount will serve as his credit limit. In general, Tawarruk and Buy-Inah have the same goal of obtaining cash through selling and buying transactions, but they differ in two ways. To begin, Buy-Inah does not involve a third party as the purchaser of the object of sales or commodity, while Tawarruk involves third party. Second, in Buy-Inah, the sales object is returned to the original owner, whereas in Tawarruk, there is no such conditions. Ujrah is the last contract that used in credit card I by Bank Islam and MAYBANK. Ujrah or fee of services are a contract that provides some benefits. Under the concept of Ujrah, an issuer shall provide a cardholder identified services, benefits, and privileges in exchange of a fee. The credit limit of the credit card I may be assigned on the basis of card or loan, such as for retail purchase or cash withdrawal or any other mode of utilization as determined by the issuer from time to time. The fee must be a fixed amount and shall not be based on the credit limit. The total fee charged might be based on type of credit card I instead of credit limit, like platinum, gold, or silver. Next, the bank is only allowed to charge the actual cost incurred in providing such services. Among the services in this category are cash advance services and retail services.
Now, I will give you a comparison about the Islamic credit card between Bank Islam versus MAYBANK and Bank Islam versus Public Islamic Bank. With this comparison, you can make a choice about the credit card that will suit with your choice. The first comparison is Bank Islam versus MAYBANK. The example of the card are Visa Platinum card. For the Bank Islam, the contract used in this credit card is Tawarruk with the interest rate 13.5% per annum. While MAYBANK, they use Ujrah as the contract and the interest rate is 15% per annum. The benefit that you will get from each bank is different. I will explain the benefit that you will get of the credit card from Bank Islam, which are the first one is travel. You will get free takaful travel of up to 1 million and 24-hour visa concierge service. While for the MAYBANK, you will get free MAYBANK card touch and go SIM card, and you also can redeem up to a maximum to 2 million air miles per year with any airline. Next is the premium benefit. For the Bank Islam, you will get complimentary Rm 100,000 takaful protection on outstanding balance, and also you will get Rm 1,000 on funeral expenses. The minimum income to apply of this card is 48,000. And we move to MAYBANK. Premium is no annual fee when you sign up for Petronas Econ Visa and no condition attached. Lastly, the minimum requirement to apply this card are Rm 60,000. For the easy payment plan, Bank Islam offer payment terms up to 36 months at zero interest when purchasing from selected retail merchant, and the minimum transaction is Rm 150. While for the MAYBANK, Easy Pay also offer payment terms up to 36 months at 0% interest on purchases from approved merchant, and for all other purchases you can option to MAYBANK card Easy Pay Plus for installment of up to 24 months at 9% per annum, and also there are no penalty fee for early payment. We move to Public Islamic Bank versus Bank Islam. I already explained the benefit from the Bank Islam, and now we will see if Public Islamic Bank product is more promising than the other bank. The contract used in this card is Ujrah, and their interest rate is 15% per annum, same as MAYBANK. The travel benefit that you will get from this card is you will be able to enjoy 2 times complimentary access to any Plaza Premium Lounge in Malaysia. And the premium benefit is you will enjoy 50% discount for will and wasiat writing service fee. 0.1% of your dining spending will also automatically be donated to the Yayasan Wakaf, capped at Rm 100 per monthly statement. Next is you also get covered up to USD 200 for your goods and e-commerce purchase protection program. And the minimum annual income is to apply is lower than the other bank, which are only Rm 40,000. For the easy payment plan, convert your purchases of at least Rm 1,500 into 6-month flexi pay plan and enjoy 0% management fee.
Hi, I'm Tasni. After know about all explanation given by the other panel just now, here I would like to share about the difference and contrast in Islamic credit card and conventional credit card. As for Bank Islam Platinum Visa Credit Card I, its contract is based on tawarruk and its financing limit is up to 2.5 times monthly salary. For the contract period, it is about 3 years and no joining fees. As for the profit rate, it is starting from 13.5% up to 17.5% per annum. The minimum income to have this card is also lower, which is about 4,000 ringgit Malaysia per month. Plus, its annual fee is with subject to a minimum of 12 transactions per annum. Move to the MAYBANK Visa Platinum and there is annual income to have this card, which is it is more higher than Bank Islam Visa Platinum Credit Card I, which is its minimum income must have at least 60,000 ringgit Malaysia. It also have annual fee which is around 550 ringgit Malaysia. Here, Maybank give you advance in 3 points. Besides, there's also cash advance fee, about 5% from the withdrawal amount or a minimum of 18 ringgit Malaysia. And there is a finance charge such as in cash advance, which is about 18% per annum or 1.5% per monthly. Plus, this card is a global acceptance and the balance transfer is 0.0 per annum. As to compare its contrast between the Islamic credit card and conventional credit card in BIMB versus Maybank, here we start with the interest. As for Bank Islam, it's absolutely having no interest. Meanwhile, there is interest in the Maybank conventional credit card. Plus, there is no compounding factor in BIMB credit card since the total liability is no upfront. Meanwhile, there is a cost compounding factor for Maybank. What's more beneficial? Yes, there is early repayment rebate, non-permissible transaction filtering, takaful coverage, and zakat in Islamic BIMB credit card. But it has no in Maybank conventional credit card. But still, Maybank has offered the conventional insurance to their customer. In a nutshell, we as a Muslim are advised to have this Islamic term of credit card, such as Bank Islam Platinum Visa Credit Card I, as long as it's along with the Sharia compliant manner that free from the advance charge, such as riba. Even nowadays, there is non-Muslim who interest in this Islamic credit card since it is low rate and have benefits such as takaful insurance. So, let's give us support to ensure that Islamic product like this can compete and have its own class.